Welcome back, class 10th. This is ANEELA LAGHARI from the Hope Higher Secondary School and College. Today we will discuss about the ultrasound. We know that a vibrating body produces sound in a medium. The normal human ear is not able to detect sounds of all frequencies. If we could hear infrasound, we would hear the vibrations of pendulum. Not only infrasonic of very low frequencies, but our ears also cannot hear very high frequency sounds known as ultrasound. The sound with frequencies above the upper limit of the human range of audibility is known as ultrasound. Generally, we classify ultrasound as those having frequencies above 20,000 Hz. Audible frequency range. The range of frequencies of sound that a person can hear is called the range of audibility or the audible frequency range. Sound with frequencies below the lower limit of the human range of audibility is known as infrasonic. Audible frequency range. Human audible frequency range lies between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Sounds which we can hear. Sound waves of frequency higher than 20 Hz are called ultrasound, while the sound waves of frequency lower than 20 Hz are called infrasound, which we cannot hear. Next topic is applications of ultrasound techniques in industry and medicine. Ultrasonic cleaning. Ultrasound is commonly used to clean many objects including jewelry, dental and surgical instruments, musical instruments. In this process, objects to be cleaned are placed in a cleaning solution and ultrasonic waves are sent into the solution. Due to its high frequency, dust, grease and contamination particles detach and drop. The objects thus get thoroughly cleaned. Next application, sound navigation and ranking. Sound navigation and ranking is extensively used to marine applications. Due to their high frequencies, ultrasound waves can travel greater distances. The position of that object can be identified, and its movement can be tracked. This technique is used to measure the depth of seabeds, locate and track submarines at sea, and locate explosive mines below the surface of the water. Ultrasonography. It is a technique that uses an instrument ultrasound scanner. This scanner uses high-frequency sound waves to obtain images of the internal organs of the human body. It helps the doctor to identify abnormalities such as stones in the gallbladder and kidney or tumors and abnormalities in different organs. The last topic is echardiography. Echardiography is a painless and non-invasive medical imaging procedure. A transmitter sends out pulses of very high frequency. These pulses are then transmitted to a computer to create moving images of the heart walls and valves. The image produced is called an echardiogram.